coming up on KEZI 9 News at 4.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt Templeman. Off the coast, two pilots report UFOs zipping through the sky at supersonic speeds. At 4, hear the conversations between the pilots and air traffic controllers, and we're asking one of the pilots what he thinks it was. A public health warning for South Lane County, a case of highly contagious whooping cough, and health officials say it's circulating slowly, plus wet weather on the way. Chief Meteorologist Holden LeCroy will have your storm track and forecast at 4.